Hello everyone. Today I will discuss about code US05CICH22. Paper name is Petroleum and Petroleum Products. In this semester, we all are study about petroleum and petroleum products. Today I will discuss about the syllabus of Unit 1. First topic is theories of petroleum formation. Second, features and responsibilities of world. Third, Indian petroleum industries. Fourth, composition of petroleum. Fifth, defining and the rectification process of petroleum. Sixth, cracking and the reforming process. Seventh, reaction taking place in cracking. Next, cracking catalyst. Next, cracking plants. And last topic is cooking. Unit 2, the first topic is light petroleum products and their specification and test method. Next is chemical derived from C1, C2, C3 and C4 fraction. Next is separation of components of petroleum by using techniques like compression, absorption and adsorption. Next is low temperature distillation, and the last topic is special and combined techniques. Unit 3. First topic is manufacture of hydrogen cyanide, carbon disulfide, maleic anhydride, caprolactam and phthalic anhydride, ethyl benzene and isopropyl benzene. Second topic is chemicals from methane, ethylene, propylene and acetylene. Unit 4, manufactures of petrochemicals by following unit process. First, dehydrogenation of butadiene from butane. Next is acidification of vinyl acetate. Next, hydration of acetaldehyde from acetylene. Next, hydrolysis of ethanol from ethylene. And the last, oxidation of ethylene oxide from ethylene and phenol from cumene. Next is hydroformylation of propionaldehyde from ethylene and synthesis gas. Next is sulfonation of benzene sulfonic acid from benzene. Reference book is the Modern Petroleum Refining Process, 5th edition by B.K. Bhaskara. And second one, a text on the petrochemicals by Bhaskara Rao. Today we will start first lecture of this semester. The paper code is US05 CICH22 and the paper Petroleum Technology. Today we are going to start unit number 1, Introduction of Petroleum. First theory is theories of petroleum formation. Many theories have been proposed for the formation of petroleum, but in this unit we are discuss only 4 theories. First, inorganic or carbide theory, organic theory, third, modern theory, and fourth one, composition of petroleum. First theory, inorganic or carbide theory. This theory was proposed by Mendeleev and Barthelemy. The inorganic and or carbide theory is proposed by Mendeleev and Barthelemy. The explanation was based upon the inorganic reaction and mainly on the activity of acetylene series. Some carbide produced hydrocarbons when reacted with water, such as calcium carbide reacts with 2 moles of water to give acetylene and calcium hydroxide. In the second reaction, aluminium carbide react with water to give methane and aluminium hydroxide. The acetylene produced from the above reaction under the wet hydrogenation, cyclization, polymerization act to give alkane, cycloalkane and aromatic compound which are found in petroleum. Next, hydrogenation of acetylene. first step, hydrogenation of acetylene to give ethylene, and further hydrogenation of ethylene to give ethane. Next, cyclization. Cyclization of 3 moles of acetylene to give benzene. And next reaction, the cyclization of ethylene to give benzene. Again repeat. First, the hydrogenation of acetylene to give ethylene, and the further hydrogenation of ethylene to give ethane. In the second reaction, 3 moles of acetylene cyclization to give benzene, and the next reaction also the ethylene cyclization of ethylene to give cyclohexane. In the next reaction, 2 moles of ethylene to give butene, and the hydrogenation of 2-butene to give an butane. Next, this theory is not able to explain the presence of homologous series. Present in petroleum. This theory is not able to explain the presence of homologous series present in the petroleum, which are found in organic matter, which are only found in organic matter, and the nitrogen compound in petroleum shows that formation of petroleum. Now we will start next theory in next lecture.